Namaskar students. In the last class, we have done the study of different templates, how to apply the slide design on the slide and how to open an existing presentation. In this class, we will do the study of other topics of PowerPoint. So, let's start. Here in this class, at first, I will tell you that how to insert any shape in the slide and how to write the text in the shape. So, at first, I want to go to slide 4. Here you can see that I have written what is slide. Now here I want to write about the slide in the shape. So what I have to do for this? I will click on insert tab, and when you will click on insert tab, in the illustrations group you will get the shapes button. So you can see here that below the shapes button, here one arrow is coming. So you have to click on this arrow. When you will click on this arrow, you will get different shapes here. So you can choose any shape of your choice from here. You can see here that different shapes like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flow chart, stars and banners, and call out. Different shapes are given here. So I will choose the shape from stars and banners. I will choose this one shape. Here in this shape, I want to write about the slide. So to write about the slide, at first I have to draw that shape. To draw this shape, what I have to do? I will just click on left mouse button and then I will drag. When I will drag it, that time you can see my shape is ready. Now, if you want to write the text in the shape, one more thing. Here you can see that one color is coming. The shape is filled. So if you don't want any color in this shape, that time you can see here in the shape style. You can see the blank box. So you have to click on this. You can see the outline color is also coming in different color. So if you want to change the color of the outline, what you have to do? You have to just click on shapes outline here, which you will get in the shape styles. Here you can choose the color of your choice. If you want to change the thickness of outline, that time you have to again click on shapes outline, and then you can see here one option is coming weight. When you will click on weight, you can change the thickness of the outline. Weight option is used to change the thickness of the outline. Okay, so here I have drawn the shape. Now I have changed the outline. Now I have changed the thickness of the outline. I have made it unfilled. Now I can write the text. But when I am clicking here, my cursor is not coming here. So to write the text, what I have to do? I have to just right click on the shape. When you will right click on the shape, you will get one option that may be add text or edit text. So you have to just click on this add text or edit text. Now when you will click on add text or edit text, your cursor will come in the middle of the shape. Now here you can write about the slide. So here if you want to do any type of formatting, that time you can choose previously or after writing also you can write that. So I am just writing here about the slide. At first I will write the text and then I will do the formatting. A slide is like a page of a, I am just writing it, PowerPoint presentation that displays a brief information about a topic. You can see here that I have written the text, but it is coming in very small size. So you can do the formatting on this text. So to do the formatting, I will select this and then I will go to Home tab, and then in the font group you can see that with the help of font you can change the style of writing according to your requirement. So I am just taking from here the Times New Roman because I have taken Times New Roman for all other text also. So I am just taking this. Now I will increase the size. I am just increasing the size from here. You can see it is very big now. Now it is okay. So I have written this. Now I want to change the color. In other, I have taken the blue color. So I will take the same color for this also. So I will click on font color, which I will get in the font group in Home tab. Now I will take the color from here. You can see I have taken this color. Now you can see here that I have written the text in the shape. I have done the formatting of that text. So according to your requirement you can write, you can insert any shape, you can write the text, and you can do the formatting of the text. Now my presentation is ready. Now if you want to see the slideshow, what is slideshow? Slideshow is basically to see all the slides. What is the use of slideshow? With the help of slideshow, you can see all the slides on a full screen. One by one, all the slides will be displayed on the monitor screen. So, how to see the slideshow? To see the slideshow, you can see, just click on slideshow button. Here you can see slideshow tab is coming. When you will click on slideshow tab, here you will get two options. Basically, these are the most commonly used options, from beginning and from current slide. If you want to start the slideshow from the current slide, that time you can use from current slide. If you want to start the slideshow from beginning, that time you can use this option, from beginning. Another option you will get, another button you will get on the taskbar. Here on the taskbar you can see this slideshow button is coming. At the downside you can see near the zoom, you can see the slideshow button. So with the help of this button also you can see the slideshow. Here I am just choosing the slideshow tab, and then I am choosing from beginning button in the start slideshow group. So I am just clicking on it. When I will click on it, you can see here that my first slide is coming. Now if you want to move to the second slide, you are having two options. First, with the help of mouse button. It means if when you will click the left mouse button, you will move to the next slide. You can see I am coming to the next slide. Another option is you can use the enter key of the keyboard. From the with the help of enter key you can move to the next slide also. So with two methods you can move to the next slide, with the help of enter key, which you will get on the keyboard, and with the help of left mouse button. So you can see here. Now when you will reach at the end of the slide, that time you can see here end of slideshow, click to exit. So to click to exit, what can you do? Here also you are having two options. You can press the escape key, which you will get at the top left corner of the keyboard, or you can again click the left mouse button. When you will click the left mouse button, that time also you will come out, and when you will press the escape key, which you will get on the top left corner of keyboard, you will come out from the slideshow. Now I have done with my presentation. I have saved my presentation. Now if I want to close it, if I want to close my presentation, that time what I have to do? I have to just click on file, then here in this you will get the close option. With the help of this close option you can close the presentation. So I will just click on this close. When you will click on close, it will ask, the computer will ask you to save your presentation. Whatever changes you have made, you can make the changes. If you want to make the changes, that time you have to click on save. If you don't want to make the changes, that time you have to just click on don't save. So I am just clicking on save. When you will click on save, your changes will be saved and your presentation will be closed. You can see here that your presentation is closed. So by using this method, you can close the PowerPoint presentation.